So you got all your basic tools, you've made a few pieces, and now you kind of want to step your game up a bit or just kind of make things a bit more efficient or quick. And you're wondering what tool you should get in order to make this happen. I think personally, the best next step is to get a disc cutter of some sort. The one that I have in particular is it's from Swanstrom Tools, but there's a bunch of different companies, a bunch of different styles and types that you can get. This is just one that I happened to pick up that I liked, and it works great. So let me give you a quick demonstration and show you why I think this tool is invaluable and every jewelry maker should have one. So there you go. So you can see it really only took a few minutes. I was able to, punch out a few different discs, different styles, just to kind of show you a few examples of what this thing can do. Obviously, there's tons and tons of different, ideas and shapes and things that you can make. You can do like crescent shapes, moon shapes, that popular style where it's like a larger disc with an offset punch out. Or if you just want to do a bunch of discs for personalization, selling little pendants and things with people's names on it, little charms, what have you. But yeah, I think that about covers it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, found it kind of informational. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.